How to review group posts and comments on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review group posts and comments on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just go down. Here you will find settings and then click this one here, activity log, and now just click this one, groups, communities, events and reels, and then go down. Here you will find group posts and comments. Click on it and here you can review it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.